So this week is a bit different. We're out from under our rock and we are here at Pasco International. So we have got to do some boats. So over the next few years, we're going to be doing paint protection film on these vessels, as they call them, full stack PPF, basically everything that's painted on the boat, all the blue, all the white. So if you want to come inside, we can't show you the vessel name or the inside of the boat, unfortunately, but come in and take a look.